Boom. Check out that, y'all. On the rose bush. No lie. On the rose bush. It works. It works, y'all. Boom. No lie, y'all. Check that out. See? Boom. On the rose bush. See that? Let's go. Damn, grab his bottom jaw. It's a pretty good sized trout, y'all. Check him out. Let's go. Can't even hold on to him. Let's go, y'all. First fish of the day. I'm hearing this flapping in this tree, but I just thought it was a bird making some noise, and it is. But check this out. This bird is like stuck. Just up from where I'm sitting right here. I think I'm gonna call the Game and Fish and see if they can do something. I know it's nature, but I hate to just see that bird like that, because I don't think it'll get free. It almost looks like a rope is tied around his foot. It's caught on a branch. Kind of weird. It's like a trap almost, but not bad. He kept trying to get away. He was actually just dangling for a while. I think he was tired, but
yeah, I got a coworker that has some climbing gear.
oh, okay.
Let me try to come over here and get up there.